Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading for July 6, 2026, Part 1. The theme is Unearth a Story. Baby Triceratops by Julie Abery, illustrated by Gavin Scott. Triceratops' friends roam in the brush. Rows of sharp teeth rip, shred, and crush. Three nubby horns nod up and down. Spiky head plate sits like a crown. Wandering on, tails swing behind. On an adventure, what will they find? Baby loves trees. She scratches an itch. Hearing a rumble, heads start to twitch. Tumbling trees, scraping of claws, one giant roar, snapping of jaws. Triceratops dash, one giant stride. Over the edge, stubby legs slide. Stumble and roll, skid, flip, and thud. Baby Triceratops lands in the mud. Slopping around, baby is stuck. One final tug, she's free of the muck. Baby Triceratops back on her feet. Three hungry herbivores stomp off to eat. The end. We're going to make a Triceratops mask. In your Craft to Go kit includes a Triceratops face with the eyes cut out, a large craft stick, and I put in a double adhesive tape, but if you don't want to use that, you can use glue, and that'll be to affix the stick to the back of the mask. Now the first thing we're going to do is color. I'm using crayons, but you can use markers or whatever you'd like. But I'm just going to color this Triceratops, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what I've done, and then we'll affix the craft stick. Okay, my mask is all colored. Now I'm just going to attach the craft stick. So I'm going to take one side of the sticker off, put it on the back of the craft stick, pull the other side of the sticky off, and I'm just going to stick it on there. And I like that better than glue because it attaches right away. And this is what it looks like. Rawr. That is my Triceratops mask.